What's up, guys? For this video, I'm going to be talking about McDonald's going into this week of January 19th, starting on Tuesday. Their ticker is MKD, and as always, you trade at your own risk. For myself, I see McDonald's as a buy, and I will monitor the situation that it's at and possibly sell if it were to break below these points. But I think this is a pretty strong support line. We're at its pre-COVID levels, and seemed like a pretty moderate price. Just, the fundamentals for McDonald's, I'd say, are pretty good. I mean, I don't know. I think the fast food industry does really, really well in a pandemic, and McDonald's in particular has seemed to do real good, I think. So the price is somewhere it's already been before. It's actually been at a little bit higher than these levels. We blasted through, McDonald's did, with a lot of momentum, and got itself up to here. And it pulled back pretty strong. What I would watch for right now as I buy and go into this week, I'm expecting, coming off of this nice green day here, I would expect it to continue, and yeah, it could have some days where it settles, but I wouldn't expect it to retrace before, like a full actually retrace before it gets like up to this level. And then even here, if it's going to hold good momentum, it'll just be a small retrace, and then push through. So I would expect it to kind of move itself up about to this level, maybe a little bit of a retrace, and then kind of push through. And I see it going for all-time highs, which would be pretty good gains. So I think 10% is definitely doable over the next couple of few weeks for McDonald's. Pretty nice gain for such a large stock, but I think it's at a pretty safe spot right now. If it did push lower below these levels, like even if it just pushed lower just below this low, like early in the week or anytime really, it would be really concerning. If it pushed lower below these levels especially, it'd be kind of technically concerning. Like I said, I think the fundamentals are too strong to be too concerned about, like a stock looking like it's going to go into a deep negative downtrend. I don't see that happening with McDonald's. So I think it's like a super safe buy. Very, very safe buy with possibility of some decent returns. So, if you had a large portfolio and you wanted a good amount of it in something that wasn't, too speculative or anything, I'd say McDonald's would be a nice place to start. Like I say, monitor this beginning of next week. You want to hope that it pushes up to this level and past this level for sure. And then monitor how it acts up here. But like I say, I wouldn't sell unless it went below 207.40, basically. Or let's see what this low was for the day. 207.42. So I wouldn't sell unless it went below 207.40. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. That is my outlook going into January 19th for McDonald's. I like holding it. Peace.